visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find. Your first card is the Ace of Intelligence and the Three of Strength. So someone here is waiting for that final moment, waiting for someone to be expressive, waiting for someone to put attention to them. So parang nag-observe lang ako so far because what I wanted here is a new beginning with you. No, I wanted to start again with you. Meron ditong pagkamainipin, no, with the Two of Strength, because there is a want or longing of wanting to speed up a bit. So parang meron dito, hindi mo ba napapansin na gusto kita, parang kulang pa ba yung pagpapapansin ko, kulang pa ba yung attention na binibigay ko, no? Parang meron dito nagsasabing, hindi mo pa ba nakikita, no, na you are important to me, no? With the 10 of Charisma and the Lovers, sure na sure itong taong ito sa damdamin niya, sa puso niya na ikaw ang para sa akin. The 10 of Charisma also signifies that this is a situation or sabihin natin na connection na pwede kong sabihin sa sarili ko na ikaw ang gusto ko makasama. So, meron ditong certainty coming from the other person, no? It can be you, it can be your person. You can switch the energies, but I'm reading to the dynamic. Knight of Wisdom. So, pwede natin sabihin with the Knight of Wisdom, ito yung part na mabagal ang takbo. Now, I understand bakit medyo gusto mong bilisan. Kasi medyo naiinip tayo, no? The Knight of Wisdom. The Ace of Strength. So parang wala kayo sa, hindi pantay yung energy ninyo or yung wavelengths, no? Or yung pacing. Siguro ahead, itong iyong nararamdaman sa kanya. Tapos siya naman medyo parang feeling mo binabagalan or talagang mabagal, no? Yung takbo nito. Kasi with the Ace of Strength, yung puso ko overwhelmed with love and wanting to be with you. Kaso with the Knight of Wisdom, ang bagal mo naman maka-catch up, no? Ang bagal mo naman akong mahalin. That's actually the word. Naiinip ako, excited na ako na maging tayo, excited na ako na magkaroon tayo ng camaraderie, magkaroon tayo ng harmony, umalis tayo, magkaroon tayo ng passionate moments, no? With the Three of Charisma. Parang feeling ko, pinag-iisipan ko ano pa yung pwede kong gawin. Or gusto kong ibigay pa, no? Gusto kong malaman kung ano ba yung kulang sa akin, paano kita mapapa-oo, paano ka mai-in love sa akin, no? Kasi, kumbaga nandun ako sa finish line, ikaw, nasa biyahe ka pa, no? Kung journey ito, nandun ako sa destination, no? Ikaw, on the way pala. So, syempre, tayong dalawa to, no? Biyahe natin dalawa, kaya naiinip ako kasi gusto ko kasama na kita dito, no? So, I'm very excited with the Night of Strength. Hindi mo lang alam. Pero kasi medyo bumibilis din. Hindi nga lang siguro ito ganun ka-expressive katulad mo. Pwedeng yung mga kilos niya is ano pa, tago, no? Or controlled, let's say. Pero deep inside, medyo bumibilis din naman. Hindi nga lang kasing bilis mo, no? The Magician. Parang sinasabi dito, whatever it is that you're manifesting is going to happen. Yun nga lang, parang nakakita ako ng time frame wise eh. Time frame wise, hindi siguro kasing ano, no? Let's say gusto mo ito mangyari next week. Kung ano man ito, whether this is relationship, having a conversation with this person, harmony with this person, forgiveness with this person. Kunyari gusto mo next week. Pero pwedeng mangyari ito in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Hindi talaga dun sa time frame na gusto mo. Kasi nalalamunan ko. Where's the Tower? So there is a transformation in here. Parang feeling ko nga galing din ito sa past, no? With the Ten of Strength and the Page of Intelligence. Nahihirapan tong kontakin ka. Nahihirapan. For some reason, baka blinak mo ito. Pwede rin namang wala kayo talagang contact so far. Pero paano nyo nalalaman, no? Baka naman, this person keeps keeping tabs on you. Medyo talagang may pagka-mausisa itong taong ito. Parang tinitingnan niya lahat ng possibilities, no, sa'yo. So the Judgment, parang sinasabi niya na sana, no? Sana ay piliin mo ako or sana piliin mo ako ulit. Whether alam niya na meron siyang ka-competition or baka feeling niya hindi mo siya gusto, parang sabi niya dito, piliin mo ako or piliin mo ako ulit, no? So nakakita tayo dito ng parang the energy is almost pleading, no? Ayan. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Siyempre, reading mo to, lalabas din ang inyong zodiac sign, if not, placement ng inyong chart. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayo mga katanungan, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating link. So, click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Now, let's see. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Libra. I'm seeing Aquarius, Taurus, Gemini, Capricorn, Aries, Pisces, Leo, Aries, Aries pala. Leo. Yan. So this is your, meron pa pala. Nasabi na natin. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.